don't come right here, I'm gonna tear upon you.
Hey everybody, Audiophile Barista here. So that was a sound clip of my new LINN Kolektor preamp that I previewed last week. There will be more sound clips at the end of this video, but first let me tell you a little bit more about this preamp and the setup here in the music room. It is a 10 input, 3 output preamp with all kinds of interesting options. One of those options, for example, is that you can name all the inputs yourself. So when there is a CD connected, you can name that input CD. And when you have 8 CD players connected, you can name all 8 of them CD, instead of what your preamp maybe already has written on the front plate. Also, when you don't use all 10 inputs, you can tell the preamp to not show the inputs that are not connected to any equipment. So when you are cycling through the inputs, it will only show you the options that are connected. And even more amazing, it can, for every single input, remember the bass and treble settings, the volume settings and the balance. So if your turntable needs a little boost in the bass and your CD player needs to cut a little bass, the LINN Kolektor will just hold those settings for every single input. Now for my main setup upstairs, I do not want tone controls or anything like that. But for the setup down here, where I just want to connect and play all my equipment, this is very convenient. Anyways, this video is about sound samples, so let's get into that. First, let's have a look at the system. For these sound samples, I use the WiiM streamer as a source. The LINN LK140 power amp is feeding the LINN NINKA loudspeakers, and everything is controlled by the LINN Kolektor preamp. The speaker cables are just simple, cheap OFC copper cables. The WiiM streamer is connected with the interconnects that came with the WiiM, and there is a short summer cable interconnect between the pre and power amp. I had that interconnect custom made for some 40 bucks, so nothing fancy. No dedicated power line, no power filters, no expensive cables or an expensive audio rack. No, the goal of this room is not to be the perfect audiophile setup. The goal of this room is to have as many gear as possible connected while keeping the cost low. And I have a lot of ideas for little experiments that I can put on the channel, and this LINN preamp plays an important part in that plan, but that is for a later date. So here are some sound samples. I recorded these on the Zoom H8 live in this very room, and all I can say is enjoy.
I'm gonna bust this rock boy from here to Macon, all the way to the jail, boy, all the way to the jail. You jack of diamonds, jack of diamonds, I know you of old, boy, I know you of
Ain't no sunshine when he's gone. It's not warm when he's away. Ain't no sunshine when he's gone, and he's always gone too long. Anytime he goes away, wonder this time where he's gone. I wonder if he's gone to stay. Ain't no sunshine when he's gone, and this house just ain't no home anytime he goes away. It's going my way on such a fine day. it's gonna be alright. The sun is shining, I saw a silver lining. Oh my darling, today's the day I'm coming home to you. It's a new day on this old highway, but with every mile I'm getting closer. Oh, how I miss just to hold you tight and see your smile.
You live all your days according to his way. Oh, Mary, never show your true face, pretending high grade. Oh, Mary.
In un deserto un giorno si incontrarono, senza volerlo per caso si guardarono. Un dromedario ritto ed un cammello povero si salutarono, si oltrepassarono, poi si fermarono, ci ripensarono, e ritornarono, si riguardarono. Il dromedario disse così: beh, perché tu c'hai dei gobbe, io non solo una, perché mi guardi imbambonato dalla duna, perché continui a masticare e non rispondi, dammene una, se me la vendi una fortuna ti darò. Ed il cammello, essendo bisognevole, per un momento si dimostrò arrendevole, poi si guardò le gambe con occhio lacrimevole, e allora ci ripensò, e se le riguardò, la testa dondolò, e poi la sollevò, lo sguardo corrucciò e il petto si gonfiò, e al dromedario disse così:
Antes yo no fui, antes yo existí, como hoja que vuela, bebiéndome el silencio, tragándome la tierra, antes sin el dolor, antes sin sabor, sola entre la niebla, perdida en el desierto, tragándome la arena, antes del miedo.